Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Apache Cassandra is a NoSQL database used for storing large amounts of data. It is used by thousands of companies to save and retrieve thousands of terabytes of data. Apache Cassandra is the best choice for you if you are looking for a database management system with scalability and high availability. In this tutorial, we will guide you to install Apache Cassandra on Ubuntu 20.04. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. You can do this by running the following commands. Apache Cassandra requires Java version 8 to be installed in your system. You can install it using the following command. Once the installation is completed, verify the installed version of Java with the following command. You should get the following output. By default, the Apache Cassandra is not available in the Ubuntu default repository. So you will need to add the Cassandra repository to your system. First, install the required dependencies with the following command. Next, download and add the GPG key with the following command. Next, add the Cassandra repository to the APT with the following command. Next, update the repository cache and install the Apache Cassandra with the following command. Once the Cassandra has been installed, verify the status of the Cassandra with the following command. You should get the following output. You can also verify the Cassandra using the node tool command line utility. You should get the following output. By default, Apache Cassandra is configured to listen on localhost. You don't need to configure Cassandra if your client and database are on the same host. Cassandra also provides a CQLSH command line tool to interact with Cassandra. You can launch it with the following command. You should get the following output. By default, the Cassandra cluster name is set to test cluster. You can change it using the CQLSH utility. Once connected, run the following command to change the cluster name. In this case, we are setting the cluster name to TechMint cluster. Next, exit from the CQLSH shell with the following command. Next, you will also need to define your new cluster name and Cassandra YAML file. Change the following line. Save and close the file, then clear the system cache with the following command. Next, restart the Cassandra service to apply the changes. Next, verify your new cluster name with the following command. You should see your new cluster name in the following output. And that concludes the topic on the installation of Apache Cassandra on Ubuntu 20.04. Good luck!